After the World War I ended, the Allied and the Central Powers came up with the Treaty of Versailles. So who influenced the most to the Treaty of Versailles? Number 1. President Woodrow Wilson. He's the author of 14 points and wants to keep a long-term peace in the world. Number 2. Prime Minister David Lloyd George, who doesn't really want to punish Germany. Number 3. Prime Minister George Clemenceau, who really wants to punish Germany and lower its strength. Number 4. Prime Minister Vittorio Emanuele Orlando, who didn't have much influence in the Treaty of Versailles. Our next question is, where did it take place? Spring 1919, the Paris Peace Conference occurred in the Palace of Versailles, which is located 12 miles southwest from the center of Paris. Our third question is, when did it occur? The Versailles Treaty was signed exactly 5 years after the assassination of Ferdinand. The fourth question is, how did it work? The Treaty of Versailles was created in the Paris Peace Conference from January to June 1919, including 15 parts and 440 articles, which blamed Germany for causing the war, make the Germany to pay for the reparations, create new League of Nations, and redraw the Europe map. The Treaty of Versailles created a huge wave of anger in Germany's society. So why did Germany react so bitterly toward this treaty? The first reason was because of the unfair meeting. Britain, Italy, France, and USA are the big four that influenced most to the Treaty of Versailles. In front of the delegates from USA, France, Britain, Italy, and Japan, Johannes Bell, the representative of Germany, was forced to sign in the Treaty of Versailles in the whole of Europe. The second reason is because the Allies accused Germany of causing the war. According to Article 231 of Treaty of Versailles, the Allies said that Germany accepted the responsibility for causing all the loss and damage in the World War I. The third reason is because of the loss of territory and population. After World War I ended, Germany lost all its colonies, and the Allies took over huge parts of German territory. Due to this reason, Germany also lost about 13% of its population. This event also marked that the world map was redrawn. In front of you is the map of Europe after the Treaty of Versailles. In the west, Alsace-Lorraine was returned to France. Part of Germany territory was ceded to Belgium. The Saar was administered by the League of Nations. The Rhineland became the demilitarized zone to protect France from Germany. In the east, Germany lost wide territory to Poland and Czechoslovakia. Also, a huge part of Germany was separated from the mainland and created East Prussia. In the north, Germany lost a small part of land to Denmark and Lithuania. The fourth reason is because of the war reparations. According to the Treaty of Versailles, Germany was forced to pay all the reparations for the Allies. In 1921, the Allies decided the war reparations that Germany had to pay, which was 132 gold marks, equal to 6.6 billion pounds. The final question is, what are its effects? As you may know, the Treaty of Versailles was one of the most important reasons for the World War II. It was written in the Paris Peace Conference, but in fact, The Treaty of Versailles was dominant by the Big Four of the Allied powers, and it was the punishment on the Germany. That caused the indignant reactions of German citizens, and especially the rise of fascism, Adolf Hitler. What are the lessons that we can learn from the Treaty of Versailles in 1919? Lesson number 1. Don't punish your enemy even when you can defeat them. Lesson number 2. Don't use war and conflict to resolve problems around the world because it will cause many disasters. After the Treaty of Versailles, the old empires were divided into new countries and states. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.